Hi everyone, I'm just showing you how simple it is to create some space if you are short of space. And I'd like to introduce you to my makeshift wardrobe. This room is completely useless. It's badly designed. You can't even swing a cat in here. But what I was able to do was put my clothes in it with a bit of help from Amazon. I've got to say, the racking system was probably the dearest thing that I bought for this room. The good thing with it is it comes with these great spare handles, and if you go into a local DIY, and I'm talking local, not your screw fix or anything, you can actually buy these separately and they're really cheap. But what the racking system done for me was, obviously you can see, sort the clothes. I've actually cheated here. I didn't have a pole long enough. So this pole here is actually a mop handle, because the one I had only came from here to about here. So that was absolutely no good. And if you've been watching my videos recently, you'll see that I actually had an accident in my wardrobe where it came down off the terrible wall there. And I've had to actually redesign it. But one of the important things is, seriously guys, if you really are short of space, they come in really loads of different sizes. They're on Amazon, and I think they're a fantastic product. It's a really good money saver, and it makes it look a lot spacious, because if you imagine doors on this, it would take up quite a lot of space. So, and you also get to have a big mirror in it. So guys, that was a little tour of my wardrobe and what I created in a space that is absolutely useless. Seriously, you can't even get a single bed long ways. So I'm going to turn down this way so you can see. Hey again. Yeah, it's a bit of a mess, I get that. And I've still got a bit of, obviously, decorating. I've got walls to fix and render. But it's a work in progress. And hopefully by the time that I eventually finish this horde of mess, it will look really, really nice, especially when I get the walls done and sorted out. I hope you find this useful, guys. Honestly, have a look on Amazon. As I said, they come in a range of different sizes, and the best thing is you can just buy the racks for them on your own. And then you can actually even buy the holders that you hold your racks on separately, and they come in a range of colours. So I hope you enjoyed my little tour. Have a look on my Steady site. I've got some really good things on there as well that are good money saving ideas. May seem expensive, but will actually save you quite a bit in the long run. So have a lovely day, guys, and I hope to speak to you soon.